Hello friends, today I am before you to talk about the famous content curation tool Wakelet. Today we will particularly focus on the how to create a collection in a Wakelet. Wakelet, fantastic content curation tool where you may curate anything, you may organize that thing means anything from the web. A link from Chrome, link from YouTube, link from Twitter, Instagram, photographs, text, videos, anything you may curate here. And after that you may organize those contents, those items in WhatsApp Wakelet. Here we will first of all see how to log in Wakelet. Simply go to the wakelet.com here, wakelet.com, and after that see in right hand side three options. If you have not yet signed up, please sign up here. Since I have already signed up, hence I will log as a login. And another option is enter code. It's for collaboration. It will be discussed in later videos. Now I am trying to log in here. Click on login. Options will arrive. Either from your Facebook account or from your Google account or from your continue with Apple, continue with Google, continue with Microsoft or continue with Facebook, or put your email and password here and login. I shall login with my Google account, Gmail account. Click here. Go through your Gmail account. Wakelet really a very good tool, fantastic tool. It's very much helpful during this COVID-19 period when our physical library is almost useless for the students under lock and key. These tools, these digital tools are very much effective. You may create a very good collection on any topic and may share with the students, and students may collaborate here also. This one is my home page. See, my name I have already created, Shivanand Mishra. My address on Wakelet, 21 I am following and 37 followers. I have collection, I have already created 35 bookmarks. That means how many items I have added, 394. Groups collection here where people may collaborate are 13. I have already several times uttered the word curation. Do you know what is the exact definition of curation? With these words I want to continue this total practical session. What is digital curation? This one is a word being uttered in case of Wakelet several times. But what is the exact definition of curation? Digital curation has been defined as the act of finding and selecting, grouping and contextualizing, preserving, maintaining, archiving and sharing digital content. Here collection is the main theme or the main thing which is created in a Wakelet. Wakelet means wakelet like droplet, a small wake, and wake, that is the collection. Hence practically we will do, click on this big green area plus sign. We'll get a screen. Here first option is add a cover image, give your collection a title, write a quick description and like this. Suppose I am choosing here anything. We may create a wetlet on. I am here choosing the topic Mahatma Gandhi. For example, I have chosen a title Mahatma Gandhi. That means I want to collect here the different relevant materials upon our Rashtrapita, our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Hence I have chosen this one. Now add a cover image. Here I will add a cover image. Here two options are visible. See here, upload an image. From here you may upload the image which you have already stored on your laptop or on your desktop or in your mobile. From there you may upload in an image. And here is another library, Unplus. Choose from that library. We may choose from that library also. I am trying to choosing from there. Unsplash is a website where so many photographs are available. I am here searching if I getting the photograph of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, I think. This photograph I am choosing. This one is a picture of Gandhiji, and thus I have got an image of Mahatma Gandhi. I have already here see the options. You may change the photograph by clicking on editing cover image, or you may reduce the size of the photograph. From here, see here, edit cover, you will get the options. Three options: full cover page, I have already chosen, half cover page and hide cover page. These three options, you may choose anyone. I have chosen full cover image. After that, here write a description regarding Gandhiji. I am just writing. I have already given a description here. Now, after providing title and description and choosing the cover image, I will suggest you, first of all, change this visibility. This time by default it is private. That means only collection will be visible for you only. But here we will get the three options. If we are making it public, anyone may see this one. See here, everyone can see the collection. Unlisted, that means only people with the link can see the collection. That means with whom you will share these links, this link, they may only see this, and private, you know, no one except you. Hence I am making it public. This one, the visibility. Right? And now from net you may add anything here. Just see the options. Add here, you may add here text, you may add here image, you may add from bookmarks, you may upload PDFs which you have already, you may add here from here different apps, that means Twitter, Flipgrid, YouTube, Google Drive, OneDrive. For example, I am choosing here YouTube, and from here I may add anything. Suppose I am choosing, searching music malware. I am choosing this one. Click on this. You may select more than one. Here 2, 1, 2. I have already selected 2. You may select any number. Here the third one. I have chosen 3. And now click on add. See here. 1, 2, all three have been already successfully added from YouTube, these links. Similarly, you may add anything in between. In between here, see plus sign. You may add here also. You may add here also. Anywhere by simply clicking on green plus sign, you may add. And you have already seen the options. You have so many options here. From anywhere you may add, either from bookmarks or images you may add your own text or note. You may upload PDF. You may so many apps here from where you may upload all this. That means all around the web you may search the item, you may search relevant information and put your link here or put the text here, anything. After that, the next thing is change layout. Here are the options. I have chosen the media view. You may change this one. You may choose compact view, you may choose grid view, you may choose mood board, and from that you may arrangement of these items you may change. These are the options. You may change according to your own desire. After that, I want to show you this. After that, see here left hand side. Here is the option of sharing. You may activate this. Allow others to make a duplicate of your collection. That means you are activating here the copy collection. Anyone may copy your collection. If you are not, in that case it is not visible. The option is not visible. I am showing you after that where is these options are. These options you are having. After that, for collaboration, if you want to make a contributor into a admin, you may activate this one here. Now anyway, one can not only add some item in your collection, but also she may edit or delete the items in your collection. I am not allowing this one. I am just allowing this copy collection. Now you may add a background image from here. I am choosing this one and going to add an image. Choose from library. I am again going to choose from library. Then here I am just, for example, adding this one. This one. Now see, it is visible in both sides. This one is picture of Gandhiji and this one is the background. This one is cover page, this one is the cover image, this one is the background image. And after doing all these, just click on this right hand side green button, done. You may add any number of items in this collection, and you may create also any number, unlimited collections in Wakelet. Thus, I have already shown you how to create a collection. Now, click on this ellipsis technical word, this 3 dot. Here you will get so many options: analytics, copy collection, because I have already activated this one. So I am getting here the option move collection, change visibility, delete collection. This. On clicking on these 3 dots, from here you may share, see one share, and from here you may invite others for collaboration. I am just showing you the share option. Here. On so many places you may share directly the link, or you may copy here and may paste anywhere, in an email or in a WhatsApp group, WhatsApp to individual, anywhere. Next thing is, after, if you want to get a PDF file of this collection, you may get either from here or another option I will show you. Once you will click on export and PDF, a PDF file will be generated, and you may easily download that one to share with anyone or for your personal use. Very good option. I say this virtual library. You may copy from here the link also, you may share, or you may use these options. See here, link copied, message as wrapped, export. You may from here get the embed code, iframe code, and embed, see here, and copy embed code, and may from here you may paste this one to your blog, your website, and anywhere. Hence we get the option of embedding, we get the option of PDF, we get the option of copy link, and directly you may share all this link, your collection, on these platforms. That's a very good tool. So many facilities you have already seen. PDF, another option from here. From account settings, you may also create PDF. One I have shown you from share, and from here. Once you will go to the create PDF, you will get the option. From here you may get the PDFs on your email, and not for only one collection, maybe more than one. If I am clicking here, see, it is going to right hand side. You may click from here and I click from here. Now from all these 3 Wakelet collections, we may get the separate PDF on our email just by clicking on confirm. Here, confirm. That's this option. I am not going to use this one, but I have already shown you. You may easily enjoy this one. And now I am going to my collection, and I want to show you this one is my collection. You can view collections, and now the option of invitation. From here you may invite somebody else just to add anything in your collection, and if you will provide him the permission of admin, in that case he may not only add item but may delete or edit items also in your collection. This option here, 3 options we get. One, copy link and paste anywhere, any group or any individual on WhatsApp, very easily we share this. From here, anyone who is not member of a Wakelet, who is not already signed up in Wakelet, may go and change your collection by using this code also. If you are not a member, that is you have not signed up in Wakelet, but by this code you may easily go to the collection and you may edit if I am providing you this code here. And third option is QR code. Just copy this code, go on the wakelet.com, you will go to the option upper right hand side, enter a code, click there, put this code, then site will ask your name, put your name, and you will directly go to this Mahatma Gandhi collection. You may add any item, that means any link, text, video, audio, anything in that collection. This, and finally fourth option is invite via email. If I am choosing here and clicking on send, an email will go to the person and he or she may get the code of the collection and may join our collection as a contributor. Thus, this invite option, that means the option of collaboration. I think I have talked about so many things, how to create a collection. Thanks friends. I have tried to show you the different peculiarities of creating a collection. In next video we will talk about something else. Thank you.